Imagine yourself in a beautiful rolling green meadow that is filled with thousands of white, luscious flowers. You can see them flowing all the way to where the distant horizon meets the vibrant blue sky. You breathe in the aromatic fragrance and perfume of these gorgeous flowers. It's just lovely. The warm, bright sun is shining down upon you, its rays touching the soft skin of your beautiful body, warming every sense of you. All of your cares and woes are falling away from your being, and you feel absolutely free. Free to take in this invigorating moment. You hear several birds singing their tuneful song. A gentle breeze rustles through the nature surrounding you. You feel its kindness and its peace. Life is all around you. Take a brief moment and listen to its healing words. You feel great and glad to be alive as the tingling breeze continues to energize your body, soul, and mind. You notice a soft, gentle white glow radiating from your being. It is cleansing you of all negativity and allowing you to absorb all the goodness of the earth that cures you of every single hurt and pain. A powerful well-being exists in your life at this moment. You are healthy in every way. You slowly lift your hands and gently run your fingers through your hair, massaging your scalp and ears, and then softly touching your forehead, eyebrows, cheeks, and lips. You realize how special and truly wonderful you are. You know that you are created exactly as you should be. This is what makes you special and unique. You love yourself just the way you are. You notice a small fountain made of polished marble, filled with fresh flowing, crystal clear, healing water. You walk to the fountain, kindly place your hands in the water, and gently splash a cleansing portion all over your face and neck. Oh, the water feels so good and cool. You can feel it permeating every cell of your face and entire body. Allow your hands to lie flat on your cheeks and enjoy the crisp coolness of them on your face. You smile with delight and are truly thrilled with the sensation. On the right edge of the fountain, you see a tall crystal glass sitting on a glistening plate made of pure gold. It is a gift from nature and is filled with the magical elements to heal your body, soul, and mind completely. You pick up the glass, raise it to your lips, and begin to drink the healing nutrients. And as you do, this elixir of healing life flows down your throat, stimulating all the internal organs of your beautiful body. It fills every part of your being with a mystical white energy that cleanses every single particle of you. Your body is now clean and completely healed. When you are ready, you begin to walk through the meadow of flowers to enjoy the rest of your day in whatever way you desire. Just let yourself be free and know that you're perfect just the way you are. Have a wonderful day. Be the best that you can be, and enjoy the day as long as you like. I love you.